Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious stir-fry beef sauce. Crafting the perfect sauce is key to an amazing stir-fry, transforming simple ingredients into a culinary delight. We will explore the foundational components that give your beef stir-fry that irresistible savory, sweet, and umami flavor profile. Get ready to elevate your home cooking with a sauce that rivals your favorite takeout, all made with fresh, accessible ingredients right in your own kitchen. Let's dive into the essential ingredients for our incredible sauce. You will need 1/4 cup of soy sauce for that rich, savory base, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce to add a wonderful depth. For a touch of brightness, include 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and balance it all with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of aromatic sesame oil, plus 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and 2 cloves of minced garlic for a fragrant kick. Now, let's talk about achieving that perfect, glossy consistency. To thicken your sauce, create a slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water. This simple step is crucial for a professional finish. For an extra layer of flavor, add a small pinch of white pepper. It provides a subtle warmth without overpowering. If you enjoy a little heat, a dash of chili flakes can also be a fantastic addition to your sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together. In a bowl, thoroughly whisk all your liquid ingredients, seasonings, and the cornstarch slurry until everything is smoothly combined. It is important to ensure there are no lumps from the cornstarch. When you are stir-frying, add this magnificent sauce during the last 2 minutes of cooking. Toss your beef and vegetables vigorously until they are beautifully coated and glistening, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.